Oh my god. Nice. Welcome back, everybody. It's that time of year again. Squirrel hunting videos are back. It is August 3rd right now. It's about 7 in the morning. We've got the 22 out. We're not going to use shotguns because you get way more meat just using the 22, not as much waste. I'm here with Evan. We've got the big camera on the tripod. I've got the GoPro on my head. We're going to hunt for quite a while. It's super nice out today. It's not going to be like 1,000 like it's going to be the rest of the week, but I already hear a fox squirrel cutting right over there. There's literally 20 million of them. There's like 10 that sit in our driveway eating the rocks for some reason, for the minerals. This time of year, they're way easier to kill than they were when we were hunting them in the last videos, which were January and February. So this should be pretty fun. Enjoy. I see one. See him. I don't think he's spooked, do you? I think he's just moving. We gotta really sneak. I think we need to get to like this one in front of us. If we go too out in the open, he'll just see us. There's like several in that tree. He's eating. He has no idea we're here. Hear him? He's in the tree past that one. Hear him? Should we go left or right, you think? There's like 3 of them. Let's get right on the other side of this and just sit there for like 10 minutes. They will move. There's so many in there. They're in this one right here. I don't know. We should have gone left, I guess. That sounds like we're straight behind. Yeah. I got a shot. Come here. Come here, quick. Okay. See him? Straight up. So the limbs go like this on the right side. It goes left, and then it goes splits again. See it? Yeah. See him? The fat squirrel. The bright orange one. It's so vertical though. This is gonna be hard. This is a very hard shot. I'm gonna miss. I can't. These are literally impossible to hit. I see him still, yeah. That's the one I missed. That definitely shot on your GoPro. That thing was huge. I didn't realize realize how much the tree was swaying where he was at first. Like, look at it. I don't know what he got mad at. I think it was another squirrel. We really gotta get the next one with the big camera. There was no way for you to get that one, though. We gotta remember where I killed him at. The dark tree, right? Yeah. I think there's one in this tree that goes like this. We finally got one. Sorry, I was on the big camera, but that one was just running and barking like crazy, and there's no way to catch that with the big lens, so I just shot him. Come here, I think there's one in this tree. We're gonna go just inside the woods. I hear him. Yeah. He's in that hickory. They're in the hickories. White tree and left tree. This big, the dark one, it's the same color. See the bark? Yeah. See how it's the bark like that? Those are the trees they're gonna be in. They're in the hickories. He's in this tree. We need to get to like right here somewhere. We're parallel with him and just look for him. If we go right in front of this sapling right here. Yeah. Just try to sneak. He's right above us. He's like, yeah. There he is. Here. That's gonna be a super hard see him. I don't know. Yeah, he's coming towards us. He's coming down. He's going down. He was on the branch going like this. You do? Where? He's on this nest under it. Okay. I could shoot him, but... Where's he at? He might have climbed in it. Or he's in the nest. I see this. Oh, he just came out of it. He just came out of the nest. If he goes in that left limb, that's perfect. He went back up. Yeah. Hold on, let me find him. Where? Oh, I see him. Hold on. I'm on him. He's not moving. Evan is laying down. See him? Left of the nest. Go for it whenever you want. It's behind a leaf. Ready? Yeah. Nice. Got him. Dude, Evan, look at Evan. He's laying down. That's better than the thing I was doing like this. Good shot. He's like right by that lay down. He's past the... Yeah, but he's by that lay down, look. Nice. Those are the two we heard. Oh, that's my squirrel. He's still part alive. We gotta go over there. I gotta step on his head. Let's just pick the squirrels up. You hold this. If you hit him on the road. I'm trying to blur this for YouTube, but there's squirrel number one. Gigantic fox squirrel. We definitely found the first 2 or 3 sets of the ripe hickory nuts because they're just sitting in these trees like crazy. When we came 2 days ago, the first footage you guys saw, there's no squirrels in these trees at all, and now they're here. just go over now, hunt this corner, because there's no more hickories over that way. It's just walnuts. And then we go down to the bottom, come up, and see if that one's there.
Do you want to go on the outside though and come up the hill?
Yeah, I mean, if we go down, like, just in the bottom, they won't see us. It's far. I see one. I could take a shot, but he's 400 meters away. See the squirrel up there? He's way over there. That's one, though. See him?
Yeah,
these two trees. He's that big circle in the tree. Let's go try to get him. This is the tree I saw the one in from way over there, isn't it?
I thought it was a cross. Yeah.
I see him. I see him. Come here. He's moving. Come here. He saw us. He's spooked. He's on the far side of the tree now. Oh my God.
You're terrible.
Oh my God. I just fell in a hole. Why are we in like a herd of crickets? Is he moving? Spooked her now.
He was right here. He was at the tree base.
What? I told you he was close. Where did he go, you think?
It's like in the brush. He's like going up the tree.
We keep thinking they're higher than they are. They're way lower than we think. I probably spooked him when I walked over there.
Dude, that's what I saw. Because he came up and stopped right there, like at the first.
I see him, Evan. Right. See him? Right side. Up. See him? Did you get that or no?
Yeah, but killed him.
It's definitely the longer you sit there and look at him, the 90% you're gonna miss. If you just put it on him and shoot, you're gonna kill him. He's got a nut in his mouth, I think.
He does.
He does. He's got a hickory in his mouth. Right here. I'm on him. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, push him again.
Is he dead?
I don't think so.
Yeah, in the head. No. Yes, fall.
Okay,
Yes. Nice. Yeah, go quick. He almost stayed in that V. That would have been bad. Number 4. We heard this one. I think he barked or something from where I killed that last one. That's our goal today, was 4, so we're gonna be done for today, but we're going out again tomorrow, different place. So we're gonna put this squirrel in the bag, walk the 2 miles or whatever back to the house.
I think I double shot him in the head.
I think you shot him in the mouth and then the top of the head. We're now back from hunting.
Your head's on track.
We've got the 4 fox squirrels right here. I'll probably have to make this black and white for the blood, but there's our 4 fox squirrels. Second hunt of the year, first one we didn't get any. That's the footage you guys saw at the start, and then we succeeded today. So we're gonna clean these and either put them in a stew or fry them. So gonna be hunting a lot more too as it gets colder, so thanks for watching. It's literally got an ear, it's got hands.
Hear him to the right?
Uh-huh.